Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got something a little different today. A few weeks ago, I got an email from AceBeam and asked if I was interested in checking out a flashlight. And if you guys know me, you know I like gadgets, hence the name, and I like flashlights. I may have got the flashlight bug a little bit before I got the knife bug. And the flashlight bug, I've got a lot of flashlights. But anyhow, let's go ahead and take a look at this one and see what it looks like and see what it'll do. Now, I haven't read the instructions yet, but it does say it's 900 lumens, got a dual LED main light. It's got RGB auxiliary light, dual switches. So 10-year warranty as well. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this out. Does come with some extra stuff here. Got a lanyard type thing to put on it. Has some extra O-rings there as well, which is cool. And then a charging cable. And then I'll look at all the instructions later. Probably has a thing here on the battery. We'll take that off. We'll look at the battery right quick as well. It does offer USB charging, so that's really cool. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing. And let's see. Oh yeah. And just hold down on it changes the brightness. I'm wondering if so it looks like a double tap actually makes it brighter. And then you've got the other here. So you've got a little deal there, and I believe, let's see if I've got something metallic here. Yep, it'll clip on to. It's got a magnetic tail cap as well. But so if you hold that down, you can change the brightness level there. Double tap actually changes the color there, and holding that down actually changes the brightness again. Let's double click again. So you've got a red flashing light. Double click again. You have a green one. Double click again. You got a green flashing light. Double click again. You have a blue, and then a blue flashing light, and then a red blue flashing. And then a multicolored light. I don't know if you guys can see that quite as well. That shows you a little bit about it, or how it is there. I don't know if that's coming across on camera real good. And then back to the white. So pretty cool. Let's turn that off if I can figure out. Okay, there we go. So your lanyard would go right here. It also has a pocket clip, which is turned in a good direction because you're able to clip that onto a hat and have the, or a ball cap and have that shine in the correct way. It's pretty cool. Compact design. Looks like it'll fit in pocket. But I haven't tried all that out yet. So we'll have to take a look at that and do a review on it. Let you know how it does. So this has just been a simple unboxing. Hope you've enjoyed the content. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope to see y'all again soon, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.